So it doesn't end over here. We offer you several different marketing material and tools as well. To begin with, you have a customer lead generation program that we're currently trying to take up, where we will basically offer you a set of domain names of or leads of customers, right? They're basically customers who've approached us in one way or another and are looking for products and services. And since we do not offer products and services directly to end customers, we're planning on partnering with some of you guys so that we could forward these leads to you, and you could basically maximize your revenues by taking advantage of this and trying and upselling other products and services to them. Of course, you can also create your own sub reseller chain without any sort of investment in infrastructure, without any sort of investment in marketing material. Everything can be set up completely for you just by the click of a few buttons. You also have Reseller Club's Resource Center, which has ready-made and editable collaterals for domain extensions for our hosting products. So if you are interested in selling our hosting products, you can log into the Resource Center and grab all the hosting collaterals that we have and start using them to or marketing them to your customers. How can you market them to your existing customers? You could use the tools that are available in your reseller control panel as well. We're very soon going to launch telescopic pricing, which will basically allow you to offer automated discounts for customers that purchase hosting packages. You could also run several promotions on your hosting products. You could use the send mail option for your customers or leads directly from your reseller control panel, and you could also set up announcements for your customers and sub resellers. So management control panels, in fact, this is one of the reasons why we're here today, right? Because this was probably the only missing component in the entire hosting solution gamut that we offer you. So for Linux packages, I'm proud to say that we've launched cPanel, which is probably synonymous with Linux packages, right? It's the most preferred option. Your customers know about it. They like it. They like using cPanel. It's extremely user friendly. With us, it's also easily accessible because all you need to do is go to your domain name /cPanel and feed in the login details. By the way, just to let you know, we're also working on migration options in case you want to move your existing packages from another hosting provider or from other servers onto our platform. Do get in touch with us and we will help you out with the entire process. Not to mention, cPanel also comes with Fantastico Deluxe pre-integrated, which has several different scripts that are pre-integrated, which allow you to basically set up your own blogs, set up a CMS system, a customer support ticketing center, discussion boards, e-commerce, a wiki setup as well. Polls and survey setups are available as well. In case your customers want to put up their images online, they could use the image gallery as well. So there are several scripts out here which basically add more value to the hosting packages that you offer to your customers at the end of the day. So we've obviously launched cPanel for Linux, but Windows is not far behind. In fact, we're going to be launching Plesk very soon, not just for Windows packages, but also for Linux packages. So within Linux, you will very soon have the option of either going with cPanel or going with Plesk, and you will definitely have Plesk for Windows packages as well. Once again, migration options will be made available, and we'll be using pre-integrated scripts provided by apsstandard.org. Moving on, like I mentioned earlier on, no provider is complete without support. Today, any reseller out there who's looking at basically tying up with some provider for hosting services should make sure that they focus on support and should make sure that they evaluate any service provider's support system and quality of support to as great a degree as possible. And I'm proud to say that we're one of the only registrars out there that actually offer live chat support, which is again 24/7. All you need to do is log into your reseller control panel and click on the support icon over there, and you will be able to chat with our support specialists. You could also call us, you could write in tickets, you could use the resource center. We've got instructional videos for you as well as your customers as well. We've got a demo account that you could use or offer to your customers, which also works as one of the many lines of support for us, because it allows you to basically troubleshoot or test waters before you actually go ahead and take that dive. By the way, the FAQs section, which is our knowledge base, is one of the most important aspects over here as well, because this, to my mind, works as the first level of support between you and your customers, because you can brand the knowledge base just how you can brand every other aspect of your reseller business with us, and offer that as the first level of troubleshooting for your customers. Moving on, of course, the entire hosting product that we offer you works on the pay-as-you-go hosting model, which is slightly different from what conventional providers out there offer, right? Because with us, you can resell hosting without pre-purchasing any package, all right? You only pay us when your customer actually purchases a package. So hence there's zero inventory cost and there is instant setup. So the way this works is that you have one package, all right, that would only get purchased when your customer would actually purchase it. So every time your customer purchased an unlimited plan and you received money from your customer, we would deduct the funds from your account and the package would get set up instantly. What this avoids is the hassle of managing a bulk package where you can actually sell that or break it up into multiple pieces for your different customers, etc. Because that means that you've got added inventory. You're paying for the entire inventory, but you might not be using it completely, right? So this model actually works as one of the most convenient solutions for you. And all this is available at $2.49 per month per package. Now, this is an extremely competitive rate for our hosting solutions. I believe if you aren't already selling it, you should definitely give it a shot and go out there and sign up for our hosting products. In fact, I will cover how you could sign up for our hosting products in the latter slides. So while we have an extremely competitive product, while we have something that I believe is quite compelling for you today, our hosting solutions are only going to get better as we move on. We're going to offer you greater flexibility. So right now, the unlimited package that you get, or the unlimited plan that you can offer to your customers and your sub resellers, will basically become customizable. So your plan at the back end will basically be will have unlimited parameters for everything, and you could set it up, all right, as different packages, or you could set it up as a package that you believe your customer would buy. So you could reduce the unlimited web space and bandwidth to maybe 250 MB and a GB of bandwidth respectively for disk space and bandwidth, and add only a limited set of email accounts, and actually set up multiple plans. Now each plan that you set up will be one single plan at the back end. So each plan is basically for one single domain name, all right, which is basically taking the unlimited parameters from the backend and customizing them as per your choice. What's even more interesting is that while your cost price for every single plan at the backend or every single package at the backend is going to be the same, you could actually charge different prices for each package that you set up in the front end for your customers. So like I mentioned, one package type available at the backend, which is an unlimited package for web and email hosting. You have the ability to create as many different types and sizes of packages. All right. Every package created by you will be considered as one unlimited package in the backend. Your standard cost for every package, regardless of your configuration, stays the same. Right, but you have the ability to actually display at least 4 different types of packages on your website and further create even more at the back end.